Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Ducati Scrambler Icon. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 Ducati Scrambler Icon with 18,511 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a Vance & Hines muffler, grips, and a rear fender eliminator kit. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by an 803cc two-cylinder engine, the Scrambler puts 73 horsepower and 48 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.5-gallon fuel tank, the Scrambler has a 130 to 150-mile range. It has a 31.1-inch seat height and a 421-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 7/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a wearing blemish on the grips, and the finish is peeling on the rear fender. This bike has a toolkit and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.